Hi everyone, nice to see you again. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to paint my paint box. Yeah, like this one. So I already used this for 2 years, and actually this one just 24 color, but I add more color in the middle area. Because I feel not enough for me and I want put into the one box, more convenient to use them. And this one is come from the 3 brand. Yeah, so another video I was talking about art materials. Okay, so that is what we will do today. Yeah, so that is exactly same with my paint. So if you feel not enough familiar with your art materials, I think that is good time to practice. Yeah, so that's I think a very good subject for beginner, and it's also good to help you understand what kind of paint I use. Yeah, so that's when you watch another video, another subject, you will know what kind of paint I use it. Yeah. So that is all good. If you're interested in this subject, yeah, come with me step by step. See you then. Okay, so let we start. And first, I'm going to use the watercolor paper, 300 grams, and it's a smooth one. The pen is waterproof and the size is 0.1. If you are different size with me, that's fine. And first, I will draw in the outline of the paint box. So in here is a little bit perspective, like because we are in front of view of the paint box, so they just like a 1-point perspective. So it depends on your eyes angle and level. So today keep it simple, and you just drawing what you can see, and maybe your box shape is different with mine. Yeah, so you can see when I finish the outline, I will draw in the detail. So you can see in the video, I drawing one by one. So that is depend the shape look like. And I need to count how many paint I have. You can see. So sometimes still a little bit hard to organize them. So if you feel hard to do this step, that's fine. You can just drawing some color you like it, or just almost similar. That is no problem. We don't have to exactly same. And I start with a single line first, and the next step is drawing, give them more line, double line, so that is make they look like more 3D. And when you drawing, you can see more and more detail around these kind of things. Like when I first finished the small box, and I will found something around this box, so that's I will drawing together. You can see I add more and more detail into the basic shape. And I think about the composition of this painting, so that's I add some brush and pen to make a good balance. So in here, if you want to join another things, that's okay. Yeah, just make a good balance. Like you can join maybe your palette or your some flowers or something. You can join anything around this box. And in this step, I add the dark line again, so that's make them more depth. So that's in watercolor sketching. You don't need to worry about you can't make a very perfect shape. Yeah, that's fine, because we do the sketching feelings. I'm going to use my number 6 brushes. So I start with the one by one. Yeah, follow my paint. So that's, you can see the white one little bit, can't see it. I use a little bit light blue. And I organize my paint box is follow the warm color to cool color and start with the light to dark color. So you can see the like yellow, lemon yellow, orange, orange red, and cool red, and some violet, purple. Okay, so and you can't see this part because this is my paint palette. I'm not used it too much. I like to use my white one palette. So that's let me feel can see the color more clearly. And I think a good quality paint look like a very dark color or look same, yeah, just black. Actually, when you add more water, they will be look like different. And in this step, you just follow your paint, and some place add a little bit water, some place less water. So make sure they in the one small box they get different level inside, so that can help you more familiar with the pigment. And because not very complex, so I just speed up. In this step, you can see I just finish my basic color And I'm going to do more detail, so make they look more depth, so that you can add some dark color for the edge area and the shadow place. And because it depends on we light source, like you can see my paint right now, the light source look like come from the left side, because my left side is window, so that's look bright in the left, so shadow a little bit in the right side. And when I finish the color, and I will go back use the pen to confirm again, so that is make the more look like a separate. So did you think that is easy to finish? Yes, that's why I think that is very good subject for beginner. Hope you like it. Okay, so that is what I want to show you in this video. Hope you like it. See you next time.